Hi guys, welcome to Stuff You Should Buy. This is Harry, and today we're having a look at these non-stick premium food grade silicone bear molds. Okay, come with a little drop or two, but we'll get to that. So basically with these you can make chocolate, candy, gummy, or even mini ice cubes. They're BPA free. They're flexible, which makes getting the bear out really easy. I'll just show you this. Look at that. So easy. They're fantastic. They're oven, microwave, dishwasher, freezer, safe. They can handle temperatures from minus 104 Fahrenheit, which is minus 40 Celsius, to 446 Fahrenheit, which is around 130 Celsius. And they come with this one dropper here. Usually they can come with more than one dropper. We just sort of got the one in the package that we got. It holds up to around 5 mil of liquid, okay? And it's marked out in 1 mil intervals all the way up to 5 mils. We'll test it out. I've got a little bit of milk here, and just to sort of, you can see how it works. The molds themselves, they're 7.4 inches, 19.7 centimeters long, or 5.4 inches, which is 13.7 wide. I always try and think about what's that compared to. I've got an iPhone here, iPhone 6 Plus, so if that sort of gives you an idea when you're comparing it. Now the depth of the bear mold is 0.4 inches, roughly around say 1 centimeter. I'll bring that as close as I sort of can here. I don't know if the blue would show a bit better. There you go. And it holds about 1 mil of liquid. Okay, so usually using the dropper at 1 mil minimum. We'll try it out so you can see. They're super easy to clean and store. You can wash them with soapy warm water. They do the job. We usually run them under hot soapy water for a few seconds. We're making chocolate molds, and that's good enough. But the dishwasher is equally as good. We sometimes just throw them in there. Why are these good for us, and why did we get them? Why you might be considering them? I mean, they can be used as an adult mixture. You could make gummy bears with alcohol-based stuff in them, but we got them for the kids, okay? We wanted to make some healthy treats for them. Not that we're anti-sugar or anti any of that stuff. We do have sugar, but kids usually love to have their dinner and they want to have a little treat, and these are nice and small, and they're perfect. Plus, the kids get involved in making their own chocolate, which is the best part of it. We might use just some coconut oil, cacao, stevia, or honey, any natural sweetener you might want to use. We mix it, put it in the microwave, heat it up very little for a couple of seconds, and then we pop them in the mold. Like I'll show you here. Look, check this out. And this is what we do with the kids. So the kids basically just use this, and then all you do is just pretty much drop her till it's about yay full, and then we usually fill it all the way up, and we just use it till it's empty and then fill it. The other thing about this dropper, which is really cool, is it does come apart really easy. So when you're doing chocolate, depending on the chocolate, sometimes we're overachievers, we get cacao butter, but even the coconut oil, cacao butter can be a little bit gluggy and stuff to wash out. So that's why we recommend hot water. Cold water won't do it, but it gets stuck in there. So pulling this apart and running in the dishwasher or under hot water, boom, Bob's your uncle, it's all done, sorted. Sometimes we just use a spoon, and it's just as easy as this. Check this out. And then we'll do that. And you know, sometimes I get my little ones to do that. I've got a little 5-year-old, you know, getting him to learn to use his pincer grip, you know, pinching and holding and balancing and doing that. And they have fun doing this, okay? Setting time, it all depends. You know, I mean, if you're using chocolate, up to 15 minutes for us. We put them in the freezer section. Water-based liquids, about as long as an ice cube would take, say, to freeze. Look at this. The other thing to note is because these are so small, we found that even in the freezing aspect with liquids, like whether it be orange juice or whatever you might use, they still tend to freeze up pretty quick. I think it's just a small area. At least that's from our experience and what we think. We reckon they're a totally great buy, and we'd recommend them, and that's why I'm doing a review here on these. Now, if you're interested, check out the links in the description section. If you buy, you will be helping us out, so we can continue to make more videos like these, really. And it will be generally through an affiliated link, and you'll be supporting us. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section. Subscribe, hit the notification button, because all these things help keep the channel to live a little longer. All the best, be blessed, and have a wonderful day or night, wherever you are.